This morning, another pillow for a controller has completed. This pillow is going to go up there. This controller is the Cyberpunk 2077 Special Edition one. This thing has so much crazy stick drift, and my kid got a hold of it when she was like 1.5 and started chewing on it and playing with it. But it overall is in pretty good shape for a decoration. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. These things look so good. And being able to put it on the shelf like that, man, if y'all aren't printing these for your controllers, just stop. Just print one. That's all I gotta say. What do you guys think in the comments? See ya.